These Nikon 12x42 Monarch M5 binoculars deliver bright, sharp views with extra low dispersion glass that keeps color fringing very well controlled. The 12 times magnification paired with a 42mm objective lens gives plenty of reach for birding and wildlife while still maintaining a comfortably wide field of view for tracking moving subjects. Phase-corrected and dielectric-coated roof prisms provide excellent contrast and detail, so fine plumage patterns and distant textures stand out clearly even in softer light. The rubber-armored body feels solid and secure in the hands, offering good impact protection and a confident grip in wet or cold conditions. Waterproof and nitrogen-purged construction keeps the optics clear in rain and rapid temperature changes, making them reliable for serious outdoor use. The included harness, cleaning pen, and compact flashlight round out a practical kit that makes long outings more comfortable and keeps the lenses in top shape.